Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel.
So let us all just pause for a moment and acknowledge the fact that because my original video is a little lengthy, I had to separate it into two parts. So if you haven't already, please be sure to go back and also watch part 1 of this Tarte haul series by clicking the link located right above my head. Now please sit back, grab you some tea, and enjoy part 2 of my Tarte haul video.
Now, moving on to the Maracuja. I think I got it right. The Maracuja lip balm, lip plump. Man, did you guys see that video on TikTok? It just made you want to run to the store and buy them out. So after I purchased this, when this came in the mail, they gave me an additional coupon off. So I said, I need this lip plumper balm, lip gloss. That's what I said to myself. And I ran out and used my discount code, and boom. So we're gonna open this thing up. I got this in the color Rosy Mauve, and it's shimmer gloss. So technically, this is on the top. This is a gloss lip plumper. So don't go in there expecting this to have color to it. If you want colored lips, you have to have a base with it. I would have lipstick or lip liner or something else, but it is a gloss. So this is how it looks coming out of the pack, and it's clear. So don't go in there expecting the world as far as it to have a particular color. So when you click at the bottom, it pushes it up. So I am going to start off by applying it and see how I feel about it. Let me see how this really looks. I gotta put my glasses back on, guys. Because apparently, for all of you who do not wear glasses and think you have 20/20 vision, don't be like me and go to the doctor and find out, dang, I'm blind. Let's see. I don't know why I just put these glasses on like I'm an old person. Like, legit. Like, it just comes with the package. When you start wearing glasses, you start, And in a minute, I'm going to have to get the chain. I got to get the whole get up. But anywho. Okay. Alright, it's only been a couple seconds and it's starting to burn. It's starting to burn. Like, yeah, I'm not used to, like, usually when you put something on and it starts to burn, it's not a good sign. It means you're allergic or but to be fair, I did see in another video, another girl who used a random, I don't know what brand it was. It was a lip plumper, and she said it was like, tingling. I'm like, oh, this is the tingling you're talking about. Okay. My initial thoughts are, where's my glitter? Okay. Where is my glitter? I'm looking for it. And let me know if you find it, because like initially looking at it, I don't see it. Let me look in the mirror first of all before I give you guys a how I feel and everything like that. Let me actually look in a physical mirror. Alright, so it's been about 2 minutes, and my lips is feeling like it's menthol-y. I don't know how to describe it. It feels a little like yeah, like if you put, how you put on, honestly, it feels like I just put on Carmex. That's what it feels like. It has that feel to it. As far as the shimmers, I'm not seeing it. I mainly saw it when I put it just on my skin, and it's very subtle. It is a pretty lip gloss though. It is a pretty lip gloss. I did have like a nude lipstick on prior to, so it did give that, I mean, it gave what it was supposed to give, an aspect of it being a gloss. It did gloss what I currently had on. I am more of a matte type of girl. I do prefer matte lipsticks more. It's just a preference of mine, so don't ask me why I bought this. Don't ask me why I ran out, spent $20 something on some gloss. As far as, is it worth it? I'm not sure. I am not sure. I mean, it is pretty. It's pretty for sure, but if you're looking for like a whole bunch of glitters and it being noticeable, I I did see a video of someone applying it, and I think in the comment sections, people was stating in the comment section, they were stating that maybe it looks more metallic. It's not really metallic. I'm not getting metallic from this. I'm getting more of lip gloss, and it's probably, if I was standing in the direct sunlight and I move my head really slowly, maybe, just maybe, you might get a little shimmers, you know? But I don't know. Not me moving my head slowly. I don't see the shimmers. So if you're looking for that pop, you better find it somewhere else. I'm just gonna be honest with you. I give honest reviews. Would I get it again? I don't know about this particular product, because again, I'm more so about that bang for the buck, because I want to try it all. Like, I want to try it all. And, you know, I think it's important, you know, to manage things well. Like, manage your funds and manage your expenses well. And I'll just be honest with you. That's just my opinion on it. This company have already won my heart with the eyeliner and the mascara. I don't know how I feel about this this lip plumper. And also, I haven't tried it. I haven't tried it on bare lips, obviously. I'm trying it on lipstick. But to me, it just feels like Carmex. So you guys, comment in the comment section below. Have you tried this Maracuja? This Maracuja lip plumper, have you tried it? And does it plump your lips? Like, my lips look the same size. It just feels like I have put Carmex on and then, you know, proceeded to put on this. Or maybe it's equivalent to putting on lipstick and then putting on Carmex, because I don't really like see the difference. But yeah, this Maracuja lip shimmer lip plumper, I don't know about it. It's beautiful. If you don't care about price points, I would say that the product itself is a good product. Like, I like it. I'm not sure if it does what it's supposed to do in the aspect of lip plumping, but it definitely does what it's supposed to do as far as gloss. Overall, I do like the gloss. I haven't tried it on long term or for like a couple hours or anything like that. But I will say that I do like the product, first of all. The second thing is the price point. It is, it's $20 something. I'll try to post the retail price on the screen. But I don't know if it's at a good price point. You guys will have to decide that for yourself, and you determine essentially what products can you compare it with, and is there a product that maybe is better. This product is nice, but it doesn't have the shimmers. It looks just like a gloss to me. But I will say, if you do apply it like I applied it to my skin, like even now as I'm recording this video, I do see shimmers on my skin. So maybe if you apply it without anything like a base, you probably will see more shimmers for sure. But don't expect it to have color behind it, because it is a gloss. It's exactly what it says it is. It does have a tint to it though. It has a tint. It definitely has a tint. But when I put it on, it essentially comes out clear. Yeah, you can see lines there. I don't know if that came from my lipstick, to be real, but like if you put it on, it's not like it's opaque. Like you can see right through it. Yeah, you can see right through this. So I don't know, guys. I'm gonna let you guys call it on whether this lip plumper is worth it. Does it plump lips? I haven't noticed. My lips doesn't seem to be plump, so you guys have to be the judge of that. Is it clear or is it colored? Essentially, even though it has a slight tint to it, when you apply it, you cannot see the tint. You have to put it on top of another color. Can you see the shimmers? No, you cannot. I'm just kidding, but literally I'm not noticing it. I put my bifocals on. I put my glasses on. Like, no, I don't, these are not bifocals, but I put my glasses on. I did not see any shimmers. So I don't know. Let you guys be the judge of that. So, with that being said, my overall feelings on this company, they already won me over with the mascara. And I think I have another coupon, honestly. So first of all, when you get your package, it's wrapped up like it's a gift. I got all this gift wrapping paper. I got additional coupons, so they already won me over with that. They will keep me coming. No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, so overall the products are nice. The products that I have tried out, they're very nice. Even the lip gloss is really nice. So I would recommend this company, and as far as the products that I've tried, I would recommend it. And those are, I guess that's just, you know, these are just my opinions on these products by Tarte. So guys, I'm coming to the end of this video. Thank you again for watching. Thank you for all the encouraging comments. You guys are awesome. I am gonna keep pushing these out. I saw some of my old videos. It was like, I know it's been a while. I know it's been a while. I know it's been a while. So I'm like, no, you gotta keep pushing out videos. I see you and I appreciate you. So I just want to say thank you. And what is to look forward to in the future is, it's still going to be my bread and butter, which is beauty tips, consistent of hair and makeup. But it's also going to be lifestyle, just a couple things in life that I feel like, you know, if it's on my heart to talk about, I'm going to talk about it. So I do appreciate you guys being along for the ride. And with that being said, that's going to end this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.